In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying up to date on social media marketing trends is crucial for businesses and individuals alike to remain relevant, engaging, and effective in their online marketing efforts. Facebook, with its vast user base and influential role in the social media ecosystem, offers a wealth of resources and opportunities to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the ever-changing trends in social media marketing. Section 1. The importance of staying up to date. Keeping pace with social media marketing trends is essential for several reasons. Enhanced brand relevance. By staying abreast of emerging trends, you can incorporate relevant strategies and content into your social media campaigns, ensuring that your brand remains fresh, engaging, and appealing to your target audience. Effective campaign execution. Understanding the latest trends allows you to tailor your social media campaigns accordingly, leveraging new features, ad formats, and content strategies to maximize your reach and engagement. Competitive advantage. Staying informed about trends enables you to identify opportunities to differentiate your brand, implement innovative strategies, and gain a competitive edge in the social media landscape. Section 2. Facebook's role in trend monitoring. Facebook provides a multitude of resources and avenues to stay up to date on social media marketing trends. Facebook Insights and Analytics. Utilize Facebook Insights to track performance metrics, identify emerging trends within your audience, and gain valuable insights into consumer behavior. Facebook groups and communities. Join relevant Facebook groups and communities dedicated to social media marketing, engage in discussions, and learn from industry experts and fellow marketers. Facebook advertising tools. Explore Facebook's advertising tools to learn about new ad formats, targeting options, and campaign optimization techniques. Facebook Live Sessions and Events. Attend Facebook Live Sessions and events hosted by industry experts and social media platforms to gain insights into emerging trends and best practices. Section 3. Strategies for staying up to date. To effectively stay up to date on social media marketing trends using Facebook, implement these strategies. Regularly monitor Facebook's newsfeed. Dedicate time to regularly browse Facebook's newsfeed, paying attention to the types of content that are generating the most engagement and interest. Follow industry influencers and experts. Connect with and follow key influencers and thought leaders in the social media marketing industry, staying informed about their insights, predictions, and latest recommendations. Subscribe to industry publications and newsletters. Subscribe to reputable social media marketing publications and newsletters to receive regular updates on emerging trends, case studies, and actionable tips. Attend industry webinars and conferences. Participate in online webinars and attend industry conferences focused on social media marketing to gain exposure to new trends, network with peers, and learn from experts. Experiment and adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment with new trends and adapt your strategies accordingly, always evaluating the effectiveness of your efforts and making data-driven decisions. Section 4. Additional tips for staying informed. Consider these additional tips to enhance your efforts in staying up to date on social media marketing trends using Facebook. Engage with your audience. Actively engage with your Facebook followers, responding to comments, questions, and feedback to gain valuable insights into their preferences and expectations. Analyze competitor strategies. Observe and analyze the social media strategies of your competitors, identifying trends they are implementing and adapting relevant tactics for your own brand. Leverage social listening tools. Utilize social listening tools to monitor conversations related to your industry and target audience, identifying emerging trends, pain points, and opportunities. Stay abreast of algorithm updates. Keep informed about Facebook's algorithm updates and how they impact your content, visibility, and engagement, adapting your strategies accordingly. Embrace continuous learning. Approach social media marketing with a growth mindset, continuously seeking new knowledge and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. By effectively utilizing Facebook's resources and implementing proactive strategies, you can successfully stay up to date on social media marketing trends, ensuring that your brand remains relevant, engaging, and effective in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Remember, staying ahead of the curve requires dedication, continuous learning, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing world of social media. By embracing innovation, leveraging insights, and experimenting with new trends, you can position your brand for success and achieve your social media marketing goals.